Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the recovery key and a secure device ready. This is why security matters. The key unlocks your encrypted data. Once done, open the Mega app or website and pick Restore from Recovery Key. This tells the service you're using the emergency method. Make sure your device is offline or on a trusted network. Interruptions can corrupt the process. You'll type or paste the full 64-character key carefully because one wrong character prevents decryption. You now enter the recovery key. Do this slowly and verify visually. Characters like 0 and O differ. After entry, Mega may ask for two-factor authentication or an email confirmation. Complete those steps so the account proves it's you. Once verified, the system will start reconstructing your encrypted index and folder metadata. This can take minutes to hours depending on size. Keep the device powered and avoid closing the window because the rebuild must finish to restore access. Finish by confirming your files, resynchronizing any desktop or mobile clients, and checking folder sizes and timestamps so you know everything returned. Once satisfied, revoke old authorization tokens, update passwords, and set a safer recovery plan. Store the recovery key offline in at least 2 secure locations. If you hit an error, pause and verify the key's accuracy first. Then check network stability and retry from a clean offline device. These
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.